Welcome to my head-to-head Vitamix 5200 versus 750 comparison. This video will explain all of the key differences between the Vitamix 5200 and the Vitamix Pro 750 so that you can decide which one is best for you. Links to the current prices for both of the products are in the description box below. When it comes to blending power, both the Vitamix 5200 and 750 pack a punch. The 5200 boasts a robust 2.0 horsepower motor, while the 750 steps it up with a 2.2 horsepower motor. You'll notice the difference when tackling tough ingredients. The 750's extra power helps it breeze through nuts, seeds, and ice with ease. The 750's slightly stronger motor gives it an edge in maintaining this vortex with heavier loads. The 5200 isn't far behind though. Its motor still handles most tasks admirably, from crushing ice to blending frozen fruits. You might just need a few extra seconds for the smoothest results. Both models feature Vitamix's signature laser-cut stainless steel blades, the difference here being that the Vitamix 750 has 4-inch blades, whereas the Vitamix 5200 only has 3-inch blades. A key difference is the 750's pulse feature, which the 5200 lacks. This gives you more control over texture, especially useful for chunky salsas or chopped vegetables. The 750 also offers 5 pre-programmed settings for common recipes. You can walk away while it blends smoothies, hot soups, or frozen desserts to perfection. The 5200 requires manual control, but some users prefer this hands-on approach. You'll also find that the Vitamix 750 comes with a cookbook, whereas from memory, my Vitamix 5200 didn't come with a cookbook when I bought it. But these small extras can change from time to time. In daily use, both blenders will exceed your expectations. The choice comes down to whether you value the 750's extra power and convenience features enough to justify its higher price tag. The 5200 comes with a classic tall 64-ounce jar, while the 750 features a low-profile 64-ounce container. The 5200's tall container stands at about 20.5 inches when placed on the base. This height might make it tricky to fit under standard kitchen cabinets. On the flip side, the 750's low-profile design allows it to slide under most cabinets easily. Both containers are made of durable, BPA-free plastic. They're clear, letting you keep an eye on your blend as it progresses. The 750's wider base makes it easier to scoop out thicker blends like nut butters. However, the 5200's narrower design could plausibly create a more powerful vortex, which can be great for smoother blends. Both containers come with secure-fitting lids and removable center caps for adding ingredients mid-blend. As mentioned, the 5200 features a classic, tall, narrow container. It's built with a sturdy base and simple control panel. You'll find it easy to use and clean. On the other hand, the 750 has a more modern look. Its low-profile container is shorter and wider, making it easier to store. The 750's base feels slightly more robust with a bit more heft to it, which you'd expect considering that it's around 2 pounds heavier than the 5200. Both models use high-quality stainless steel blades. These are designed to last and can handle tough ingredients with ease. The 5200's container is made of BPA-free Eastman Triton copolyester. The 750 uses the same material, ensuring your blends are safe and chemical-free. With both blenders having a robust 7-year warranty, you can be confident in their durability no matter which Vitamix blender you buy. The controls and blending features are probably the biggest difference you'll notice in this Vitamix 750 versus 5200 comparison. The Vitamix 5200 features a simple, straightforward control panel. You'll find a variable speed dial and a high-low switch. This no-frills approach makes it easy to use, even for beginners. In contrast, the Vitamix 750 offers more advanced controls. It has a variable speed dial like the 5200, but also includes 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. These preset options can be a real time saver, but come at an extra cost. Similarly, the Vitamix Pro 750 has a pulse feature, which is something that the Vitamix 5200 lacks. The 5200's interface might appeal to you if you prefer manual control over your blending. Its simplicity means fewer buttons to navigate. On the other hand, the 750's pre-programmed settings could be a game changer if you frequently make specific recipes. They take the guesswork out of blending times and speeds. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you value simplicity or additional automated features in your blending experience. For the Vitamix 5200, you'll need to manually start the cleaning process. Simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap, then run the blender on high for about 30-60 seconds. Rinse, and you're done. The Vitamix 750 takes convenience up a notch with its pre-programmed self-cleaning cycle. Just add water and soap, press the clean button, and let the blender do the work for you. This hands-off approach saves you time and effort. Both models feature dishwasher-safe containers, but hand washing is recommended to prolong their lifespan. The 750's low-profile container might be slightly easier to clean in smaller sinks.